Hi guys, once again this is Alfred from BinaryOptionsTutor.com, and I'm recording a little live trade that I've got in on the brackets. I want to go over what I'm trading around really fast and show you what I done. Uh, okay, we got in at 111.39. This is the dollar yen. And what got me in, a little bit under the weather, but decided to do this while I'm sitting back here doing something else. I'll just take this and see if I can get something to work out and put it up for you guys. Blues on top, reds on the bottom, same scenario. Uh, so my bias is to the upside. If you looked at the larger time frames, like I talked about in that top down video that's on my channel, also, it would show you that the bias on this pair is to the upside, but you know I love to use these two moving averages. We're also above central pivot, and we we hung out a little bit below value area. This is value area low here for today. This would have been drawn at the top of the day, and we started to make that move even down below value area low. We had some rejection right just past um, support area 1, and well, pretty much almost right here at the next round number. Okay, we got a huge push off of that. Okay, what are these arrows for? These arrows are tied to the hour. Right now I've got this set on the statistics for the hour, and they're going to update every hour. They're going to give me historically the tops and the bottoms of the market based on where the market starts at the hour. Okay, when we hit what I'm calling my soft or my hard area at the top and the market's really cooking, then I'm going to get an arrow. Now, one way to use this, rather than saying, oh, there's an arrow, let me go out here and put on a binary. Okay, this was around the end of the hour. I saw arrow, we rejected. That's because we were really getting out there statistically, but statistics aren't gospel. I saw another arrow, we rejected. We really came down off of that area. And look, now I see an arrow to the downside. I missed that. I wasn't here. I'm not always in front of the computer. Okay, but the hour was about over here. So, I'm looking for maybe some action to the upside the next hour. I should have got in here, you know. Um, I was waiting and waiting and waiting for my pullback. It just never happened. So I waited, and these are 15-minute candles. I waited, and I got in somewhere around here. Now we're on a new 15-minute candle, and you can see we're pushing up. Now, all of this is price action. It's all just, I'm getting a little help from the statistics, but I'm also, looking at price action. We seem to have been hanging out around this value area high, so I'm hoping that that's going to be a base. Also, we got this 100 moving average, and that seemed to, we wicked off of that, so that's another good sign for me. How far am I going to ride this puppy? I'm trying to make a quick video with an in and out, so I got this area of consolidation right here. I'm probably going to set it for something like that, and then I'm going to get out. So I got to go over here and set the exit. Here's my little one contract. Why am I don't really like to do videos with big contracts, and I'm not, this is, if you want to think anything for this series, this is what I think is good low hanging fruit, because you're going to notice that I'm not looking for big moves. And when you can consistently take these small moves, learning price action, using the indicators, some of these are custom indicators, but we are going to put them up on our site, and they're just going to help you plan the trade. Even the statistics, they're not gospel. Let me get in here and see. I clicked on my contract that I have. Okay, now I'm going to have to sell back into the market. I got in at 39. I'm going to set myself to sell. Just going to look for 10 pips. Keep it real simple. Um, so that's going to be 49. Going to place this, and it's going to drop over here into working orders. Now, when the sell side of this spread, because we have to also overcome the spread, when the sell side gets over here, when this side here gets to 111.49, then if it gets there, then we're gonna exit the trade. I got 2 days, but you guys know I'm not staying in trades very long. I like to get in and get out several times a day. Sometimes even outside of these videos that I'm recording, because my conscious effort here is to, especially in this series, uh, talk about low hanging fruit and talk about the brackets, because I don't see a lot of people trading the brackets. Imagine if you can get consistent with the brackets, then all you have to do is just work on scaling up your uh, contracts. Um, the contract where I got in at 39, the bottom, the floor is 110.95. So how much am I risking here? $39 and another five onto that. That's 44, and that's it. So that's for one contract. If I wanted to scale this up, I could do 5 times as much. I'm risking 220, and then I'll make $5 a pip. You're in and out with a small 10 pip move, and that's $50. Not, you know, not something, not a tremendous move. You have the time to stay in the contract. You've got a little wiggle room here on your stop. I don't have to wait. I want to explain this too. You don't have to wait until this hits 110.95. I can set a stop in my mind, set an alarm on my MT4, and if I decide to leave before I actually hit the other side of the no touch, I can do that too. These are tradable, and part of what separates Nadex from a lot of the other things you've seen, and what makes this a lot like just trading spot. You can't hold it indefinitely, but you got enough time to get in and get some small movements and just go on about your business. So I'm gonna stop the video right here. I showed you guys the setup. It's very similar to the other setup, except for I'm trying to work with the trend this time, and hopefully just catch a real, hopefully real easy 10 pips. The Let me show you guys something. This isn't gospel, but you'll know the top for this hour is 111.448. That's my soft resistance, and 111.484. Okay, that's my hard. So I might not reach the top. I might not reach the I might not reach my target this hour. We're popping. Let me see if I got a chart that has it. See, I've got my bars here, and you can see we've already hit the soft. Even if we hit the hard, I'm not going to be at 111.49 because I need that spread too. But they're just statistics now. They're not perfect, but we've already hit that in the hour, and if we don't hit it this hour, we got a couple of days. So I'm going to pause right here. Hopefully it won't take that long. And I'll see you guys on the other side of the video. I'm on the other side now of this video, and you can see we got in around here. I didn't put an arrow. Let's see, insert arrows. Okay, we got in around here at the first half of this video, and well, we're still in here because this didn't take very long. I was still working on some stuff, and we hit that target and wick, and that's that. I'm out of the bet, or the trade. Really, I should say trade. Um, Notice our on our top level here on the statistics. Now the top level for the hour is moved up to 111.518. It wasn't there earlier because this is the furthest we have moved. So when we break the old number, then a new number comes. I was saying I don't know if we're going to get there this hour because as I was typing this, we were like, 15 or so, 7 or 15 minutes into the hour. And we had just came off of a good low on the previous hour. Um, I waited and we got a little retracement on the next hour, and then the new hour came in, and you see we just ran, and I went ahead, I got those little pips, and I'm already out of the trade. I was thinking we might get to here because it's a magnet number. Um, this is R2, and I was thinking we might get there, but that's okay. Again, like I said in the other video, I'm trying to look for the low-hanging fruit and take that in these videos. And I don't want to get into a trade where it's going to be, everybody was looking for here because everybody's got this line, So I want to be out before then. And also I'm showing you or trying to help some guys who have trouble getting out of the trade. Every trade's not gonna you're just gonna get in and then it's just gonna pop for you like that. But it's nice when it does. That's all I had, guys. See you guys on the next video. Once again, this is Alfred for binaryoptionstutor.com. You can see my working order and everything is closed over here on the Nadex platform. See you guys on the next video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. If we've helped you, please help us by sharing this content with others.